Here's a look at the car that ruled the world back in 1957, the 57 Chevy Bel-Air.
It was a wicked and a wild wind, blew down the doors to let me in, shattered windows and the sound of drums. My people couldn't believe what I'd become. Revolutionaries reign, for my head on a silver plate, that's a puppet in a lonely string. Who would ever want to be king? Hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my meal, my soul, my shield, missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter will call my name. Living on this world, that was when I ruled the world. You can help me sing this.